because no one cared. They overlooked your time and hard work and your actual needs. They gave you attachments without understanding you or your demands. They absurdly treated you like huge operations with huge things to move and huge budgets to match. Or they peddled you 10 at the expense of the tough and durable we know you need. Well, we care. With you hard-working men and women in mind, we set out with the same hard-working ethics to go beyond the industry's rigid boundaries and orchestrated leading ingenuity and innovation that can only be fueled by passion and one important purpose: you. Finally, you have attachments that provide a toughness and durability to be proud of. Attachments you too can love like one of your own. Attachments that will more than meet your needs while optimizing your machine without exceeding your budgets, because we know they were hard-earned, that came with great sacrifices. For you, we sacrifice nothing, only what you will never need. For you, hobby farmer. For you, small business owner. For you, weekend warrior, whose last task is cracking a cold beer to admire your dirty work. You were not forgotten either, because we cared. Rock solid attachments. Get dirty, have fun, get more done.